So hey guys, hi, welcome to another video. So today I'm getting my hair done. I'm doing the Jayda Wayda Fulani inspired braid. Yeah, so I've been seeing it on TikTok everywhere and I'm like, oh my god, I really like this hairstyle and it's very easy. It looks easy. I will not say it's very easy, it looks easy and it's like very convenient because of like my routine and everything. So I got these extensions. So I got these extensions on Saturday. The reason why I got this particular one is because it comes in different lengths, 16, 14, 12 inches. Because I don't want the extension, the hairstyle to be long. I want it to be like here, like very short but full. So because I was on the call with my sister before I got this, and then she said I should just get a short one. Let me show you guys. Ow. Okay, so this is the 16. Oh, no, so this is the 12. You can see how short it is. So if they put it like here, it is low. Get. I wanted to get a different tie. There was a particular type I wanted, but if I had gotten that one, they would have had to cut it to get the length I wanted. And then why am I cutting extensions that I bought? I could have just gotten a short one. So that was, I was like, let me just get this one. And then before I even got this one, you guys, I decided that okay, let me go to the market myself to see if I can get any extension I like, because I wanted to see the texture and like length. So I decided to go to market myself. I should have not have done that because I had to go to 3 different stores to find one extension because everybody did not have coily extension. I don't know. So yeah, so I'm just packing my bags now and then I would see you guys at this meeting.
It's really good.
I'm so happy about this hair, bro. Like, I'm so happy because I was already so scared that if I went to any hairdresser and they don't get it, and this is my actual hair, like it's not attachment, but it's tight, sha.
So hey guys, we have done our hair, as you can see. Ow, it looks amazing. Like it's exactly what I wanted. The short length, everything, it's full. It's not too full that it's irritating, but it's just like perfect. So yes, I really like how my hairstylist got it, but I already knew she was going to get it because I've been going to this hairstylist for a while, like for years now, and she always gets my hairstyle. Like you would know when somebody can properly braid. Like that's the important thing. Can the hairstylist do their job? Yeah. So this is officially the Jayda Wayda braids. As you guys can see, it's half up. It's a half up, half down hairstyle with weaving in front and then the sewing at the back. So it depends on how your hairstylist does it or how you want it done. So for me, it was a sewing. For some people, they get it done as crochet, but for me, I did a coily sewing. So yeah, this hairstyle is very convenient and it's just easy because when I'm going out a lot, so I need something that will not be in my face and will just be like very easy. So this, it works. Like, so for the maintenance, for the coily parts, I just think you need water and leave-in conditioner to maintain it. For leave-in conditioner, the leave-in conditioner I use this Mega Growth leave-in conditioner. I use that for my natural hair, for some of my coily extensions. I don't know if there's any one else I could use that would be better and everything. And then when because this is like day 2, yeah, this is like the 2nd day. So when I'm going to bed, I would wear a wig cap. You guys know these wig caps we wear under wigs here. I would wear that over the coily parts and then I'll go in with my usual air bonnet, so just to keep it safe. I don't know if I can do that method of, I saw something on TikTok where this lady was she sectioned it into different parts and twisted it and everything, but I don't think this is that long for me to do so. So yeah, and that's all for today's video. I hope you liked it. If you're new here, hi, I'm Oluchi, and if you're here before, hello. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you can, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.